Yeah, welcome back to BRS here for February the 15th. And old Earnhardt says it's time to go to work, Bear. Let's quit messing around. Gonna have a mixed bag this morning on this video. Gonna come over here to the 55. And if you go back when we first started this build and videos 2 years ago almost now, you'll see there was different designs, and this is the final design here that's going to really flow and look good. Thought I'd go ahead and show again, even though on the 59 Ford two-door postcard, we did show how we plastic, and this is 4 mil plastic. This is the way I was taught back in 96, and have kept this from old Sid Shavers out in California. He puts everything into hardboard. I put it into poster board, chipboard, and sometimes I reuse the patterns. But you'll see here, I'm gonna point with a cane, and I don't have a long pointer, but this welt right here will be fine. I use weed eater string to do the welt, and so you can imagine it is like a pinstripe. But this is gonna separate no French seams. This will be welt here. And then this will be 1/4 inch heavy coming right down this line here and right around the side bolster. And then you can see here we have this nice sweep that comes in, and this is going to be pinstripe. Now, of course, all I have to do is pattern this part, flip it over. You know, you guys that are trimmers know this. Right to left, or you can do from middle, one side. And here will be the welt again coming right around, up over the top. And then it'll go travel. The welt will actually stop, fade out, go in. It'll disappear right here. But we'll carry this as a top stitch all the way across, and it'll be a folded top stitch. So we got quite a bit pattern and ready to go. And same here. I will use a cane again for a pointer, and this will be the fine welting right here. Right on through, and then this will come across, be a solid pillow. These all are pleats. These will be a 4 inch right here pleats, and then this will come down, and then the welt here, it will just go right on across this pillow, but this will come across here, and that'll be one solid piece, but the welt will pass through. All right, let's go in here just a minute. I've already shown these seats. They're fixing to be picked up this morning, and I think he's going to be well pleased, but one last look before they go out. And so those have some 4 inch pillows in the back. All that is pleated in, and those are getting ready to go out the door. Let's take a little venture over to the shop, and we'll pick back up over there on some things we got done yesterday. Okay, long overdue. 4 weeks I've had this wonderful coat rack from Brian Hainer, metalshaper. Thank you, Brian, once again, and Maria. And hope y'all everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Yeah, right. Valentine's yesterday. Now, Brian, I had a little. It's not permanent up there yet, but give me your comments, everybody, and especially Brian. This is on the back of the 44 Delta drill press. I'm looking for a 4-cylinder distributor. Now, this is just a distributor cap I have off of 46 Ford. And, of course, just using some yellow rope nylon here to indicate plug wires. But I want to put, if it stays here, it's going to get as much recognition because it's going to be seen a lot here instead of on the wall of honor in the house. But this will get shown. And this is where I use my, once the Glock, of course, is, yeah, you got to get finished Glock out of here. This is where I normally do all my shop welding in this area, so I can open up the doors, get ventilation, can shut them, of course, you know, to keep the wind out from the argon. But this turned out really great. Hat rack, coat rack, hat rack. No apron there. But now I've got a place to hang when I've got my welding table this right here over here, instead of building a bunch of racks underneath to hang leads on, I'm going to be able to hang my leads on here as well. My leather sleeves. Of course, got my good old trusty hood here. A couple of aprons. And going to work out really well. Please put some comments down below and give us a shout out if you like what I do and about putting fiber optics and make it actually run on 12 volts little batteries. Can flip the switch on when the lights are down and make it look like it's actually firing through the plug wires. They'll be clear and use LEDs, but for sure going to add metal shaper, a nice piece of really cool art on top of it. Won't be taken away. It'll just have metal shaper up there, do some engine turning and some engraving or stenciling. And anyhow, that's on Grandpa's old 1944 Delta drill press that I took the motor off of, used on the other drill tree that's sitting way over there. So, Brian, don't scold me too bad, but I hope you like what I'm planning on doing with it. I used the original motor mount and just drilled and tapped. She's bolted on there with a couple of real nice 3/8 bolts and a stop. And on the other agenda, I had restored this. Some new subscribers may have not backed up to when we did this DareX M1, but I'm needing some help finding the small collet. This is the one that goes up to 3/4, half to 3/4, but still not finding many M1 parts out there even available. I was going to make some collet adapters for that one, so I can do the smaller drill bits. But anyone has got a lead on the DareX M1 collet, the small one, don't know if it has to have a separate holder or not. Now this one here is over here on the right hand side. I like it where it is. Randy Richards, his was over here. I think his was an M4. Pretty sure it was. Correct me, Randy, if I'm wrong, but I think yours is M4. His is over here on that side, and he does have more collet holders for the bits. But for today's short video, wanted to make sure this got out. Been a little hectic with the wife. Today's appointment at 1 o'clock. Hopefully she'll be under surgery here at the end of this month, if not the 1st of March. Get that old back fixed, and she needs to get out here and help me finish this old shaper. Got most of all the old paint and filler off of her, but she has really had me tied up and with her pain and trying to help her and do the house tending and cooking. All right, this is Bear's Rod Shop, and we're going to be out of here for February the 15th. Y'all have a blessed day.